So with Pocket Office, you're offering services. So we're going to show you now how you can put your services into Pocket Office so your clients can book them and so you can book your clients into them. So just go across here to the Settings tab in the menu, click on that, bring to the Settings window, and if we look at My Services, let's click through there. So inside My Services here, right out of the box when you first get Pocket Office, it's actually preloaded, got one service in there for you, which is Request a Booking, which is set for 1 hour. You're happy with that, you can keep that, but I'm going to make a new type of service. And here, I'm going to make a one-on-one appointment. You can make a group event you want, I'm going to make a one-on-one appointment. So here I can fill in all the details of the service. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a service where I call up the client and I basically tell them what it is that I offer. So I'm going to call this First Call. Now here you can actually choose the different ways that you can have this service delivered, face-to-face, over the phone or online. I'm going to pick over the phone. Now, I'm not sure about you, but when I rely on clients to call me back, it doesn't normally work. So I'm going to make sure that I call the client back. Now here I can set for around about how long I think that service will go for. I think in this case it's going to be about a 1 hour phone call, but you have all the freedom that you wish. You can click all the way up to 5 hour phone call you want, and you can have no hours and just minutes if it's just a short one. There's also an option here to charge a fee or no fee for that first service. So I think in my case, with a phone call, I'm not going to charge a fee because I'm selling my client. I click create, and my first service has been totally created there. There it is, all ready to be booked by my clients. And that's as simple as it is to create a new service inside your Pocket Office account.